All right, let's just stare out to the ocean for a bit. And I will probably be ending the live shortly, so get your view in, and this one will be posted to YouTube later, and you'll find it in the TikTok replay playlist. So this guy is here, he's got a sand bucket on his head. That's interesting. Oh, I think he may be an unhoused person. Maybe he lives at the beach. Oh no, he's doing some sort of exercises. So the tide is coming in a bit, and we're gonna hurry past this guy. I love these little white birds grabbing these crabs. Okay, friends, I think that will be it. We will end the live with a little view of the seabirds grabbing their breakfast. You guys have a great day. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for so long. Have an amazing day. Get outside, touch some dirt, get grounded. Have a great day. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Liz. Thank you, Sin. Have a great day, guys. Let's see if I can see who else is in here. Ryan, thank you so much. You might still have me on mute. That's okay, thank you. You might still have me on mute, but you guys have a good day. See you later, bye.